Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and today we're going to be playing toca boca as usual, but not that type of toca boca. We're going to be making our, what do you call that, house in toca boca. So stay tuned and let's see how our house is gonna come out. So let's get I'm sorry guys if you have a big version, so we're gonna get the house and then wait. So let's wait a little bit until the house is ready. So let's just sit down and talk. So guys, this is my third video I made, but not toca boca. Two of my brothers. Oh guys, and guess what? I'm gonna start be doing some fun activities. I'm not only going to be doing toca boca. I'm going to be doing a lot more stuff. So, those creative stuff, more other stuff, challenges, and those. So, oh my god, this is really taking long. Oh, okay, it's coming on. Oops, I'm sorry guys, I was late again today. So we're gonna delete everything. Come on, and go. First, let's do it here. Let's clear everything. Not this. I think so. This. And this is not. Oh, I got it. Like that. The first room is going to be the kids' room because they're going to have children, but it's not going to have a sofa. So, sorry about that guys, I was talking to my mom. If you heard me. Yeah. So we're gonna be doing with children. We're gonna need a box that put it right here. Like that. And then we're gonna get this. So it's gonna have something like twins. But not really twins. So that's gonna happen. We're gonna put a little rug, a white one, and a blue one on the top. So it's more fantastic. We're gonna need this, no, not that, and table. Let's get a table, a round, nice table, because that is going to be for the children's stuff. And this, we're gonna need this. Here is, okay, so we're gonna have this. Like that. Then we're gonna so let's start. We're gonna put two little let's put some tools on the ground for tools. Let's put fantastic. So this we're gonna need a box for each person. For each room, I mean. So I'm gonna be showing how I make my room for my children in toca boca. So they're gonna need a TV. And everybody can have a TV. The TV is in the back of the room. So that's the TV. So we're gonna need some like a funny light, not funny light, something like this, but no, not this. There was a difference. We're gonna have like, okay, something like that. And we're gonna have some books because the children are gonna be needing to be doing education. Oh, the last shelf is for the outfit. It's gonna be like that. Like this, the little children room would be. Where is okay? It's not little children. If you guys thought it was little children, no, guys, it's not little children. It's like teenagers. So they're gonna have to have their own school supplies. So we're gonna put a school supply thing here. Put their markers in here. We're gonna use scissors. Wait, need a scissors, a glue. That's how they're. So let's get their outfit in here. The mother outfit. Not the mother. Something like the mother outfit. So we're gonna have to have like 2 outfits. And their pajamas. So, oops, sorry guys about this. So, like, only 2 outfits. 1, 2. So let's get 1 outfit for her. And their PJs. And their PJs. So let's put this here. Oops, let me get them up. So let's put their outfits on here. So let's put cards. Yeah. So this is how their room is gonna have to be. And I'll go get the school bags, but not really now. So if this how their room is gonna be, looking just like this. So let's get their phones. So this is hot phone. They're teenagers, so they're gonna use their phone, but not a lot. So the mom has really a lot of phones, so we're gonna just snap. Wait. Where's the other phone? So the children are not playing right now. Oh, that's my suitcase of money. So, she's gonna use a tablet because she won't realize they can't have this. So this is how the room looks, just like this. So let's. The mom was cheating on the dad with her best friend, his best friend. So let's move these people out my way for a little bit. So, let's get the next room. It's the parents. I'm gonna build it just like this, but I'm gonna show you how I build it. So let's just get this. We're building it just like this, just like this, but we're like showing you guys how I build it because some of you going to want to see how I build it and things. So let's put everything here. Sorry guys if this is making you wait along, but I don't want my things to get lost, then I have to look at them again. Sorry, guys. Who? Sorry, guys, about that. I was doing something, so let's finish up. So this is how. This is how the game to be. Right. And I'm sorry, I had to check because my here, even the bed, but not the bed, not I mean, the TV is just really regular. Can't literally go TV. Oh, I have to here. Oh my god. Okay, the umbrella. Oh god, this is hard. Sorry about that. Okay, this is okay. Just do that then. So first we're gonna need an bed. This bed. So we're gonna switch that. Sorry. Just here. Like I really need these stuff to move. But oh, this is but this umbrella seems stuck. But it's okay. So we're gonna have the bed here. Then after that, we're gonna put a furniture. No, not this. This here, like right there. Then where is it? Not that. Okay, so let's just get this on. Okay. So, look. So we're gonna put the chair there. I use to put there because it's a little bit tiny. Oh no, not that. Let's go like this, and then we're gonna press yes, and then we're gonna decorate back her house, our house. Where? Oh, I forgot something. Because it had like in the bed stand, like something like a bed stand right here. Because I knew something was missing. So like that, and then we're gonna like put this here. So we're gonna put the lady's clothes. The lady is a single mom, so this is the money. A lot, and they have in the bank. So yeah. Oh, this always has to be here. Nobody can touch that. Look, some of her husband's clothes. Look. So we're gonna. Oh, these right next to here. Let's get the items that normally used down here. Look, there are little flowers there. Money, her Gucci bag. She's a single rich mom, if you guys didn't know. So, this doesn't belong here. Her other outfit, and we're gonna need her laptop as usual. Her camera goes under here. The iron. Oh, these are supposed to be here. So that's how her room is. Oh, don't forget. We're gonna need 2 nuts. Because I always like the nut in the house because it looks so good. So we're gonna put like this in here. And we're gonna need some thing here. Because this is how we built our room, the parents' room. Now you guys can see the kitchen. Oh, the fan. So a kitchen. I have a fridge from here. Let me show you guys. The fridge is from here. That is from in here. The kitchen set where the sink is from here. And that thing is from right here. Right here. So, and this thing where the cornflakes and cereal are is this. So, and you know the table is here. Oh, is this? So, yeah. Sorry about that, guys. So, look at the house. Oh, sorry, I didn't see that. Let's just keep these pillows here because we're not using them. Oh, no, not the top seat because we're going to get off. Oh, a mat is under. Oh, these cords just and this is the bathroom. The capacity here. So look, guys, the bathroom is here, which is right here. That they like can do anything in the bathroom in the restroom. There is a shower, a toilet, a sink, and a dirty basket where they put their dirty clothes in, which the mom just bought because she did not have any. And there is the children's room with a bunk bed, a TV, and 2 shelves, a table, and 2 small sofa things. The kitchen, as usual, everywhere has to have a kitchen. It has a fridge and kitchen set and like thing where you put plates, 2 shelves and 1 large shelf with all the ingredients. Oh, the fridge. Look, she has everything she needs. And the last but not least, the bedroom, the master bedroom. Sorry guys, my bed can't like go straight to you, but it's okay. I did like that. So let's get the parents' reactions. No, like their parents. Say the parents are home. They're waiting for the kids. Where's the kids? Crap. Sorry. Wait, guys. I'm looking for the kids. There's somehow. Oh, look on here. Where's that? I look the next one here. Sorry, she dyed her hair because she wanted to. I just forgot. Okay, I have something to show you. Mom, I'm tired of sleeping in the hall. I don't want to sleep there no more. Yeah, me too. You know something? No, what's going on? Okay, come on, guys. Okay. I'm gonna go watch TV after you guys show me what's going on. Sorry guys. So I'm back. Moving. What? Okay. Oops. Okay. So you're gonna open the door. Let me just get the key, honey. Okay. Sorry. Oh my God. Stop. Okay. Welcome to your new room. Oops. Ooh. Oh my God. This is amazing. Oh my God. This is the best room I ever had, Mom. Oh my God, which one is mine? This one is mine? Yeah, because you know I love tablets. Oh my God. Mom, I got so much hugs. I'm glad you're happy. When you're happy, I'm also happy. So, what we're gonna do next? Mom, can you make some pizza? Yeah, for real. Let me try my best. Which one is? I want to sleep on the top. Okay, fine. Since you have the tablet, you're gonna sleep on the tablet. I'm gonna sleep. Oh my God, this is so good, Mom. I like it. It's so comfy. Please. This is safe. This is so amazing. Oh my God, I'm so happy. Okay, so guys, what do you want to eat? You know what? I don't know. I'll say pizza. Pizza, pizza, pizza. Okay, fine. You're gonna eat pizza. Let me just get some. Let me see if it has some. Okay, it has. Let's go watch some TV, kids, in Mom's bedroom. Okay. This is so awesome. This is the best day of my life. Yeah, you know, right, Dad? But, oh, I have to bring the 2 chairs. Sis, come on, because you're going to need to help me. Okay. Let me see. Okay. Watches scary movie. Food's almost ready, kids. Okay, guys, food ready. I'm not hungry, so you guys can eat. Yummy on my tummy. Oh, guys, sorry about the chest. I forgot to playing two people in the back. But it's I can still put them. Okay, there's yours. Thank you, Mom. Honey, look yours. Thank you. Thank you. I'm gonna just eat a bread because I'm not really hungry. Because I just came from the beach and we ate a lot. Everybody eat. Yum. This is so. Oh my God. I think I'm gonna. What? Oh. Knocks. Boom, 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 boom. I'm almost. I'm almost done. Hey. I'm done. Oh my God, I'm so mad. I need to take. Oh my God, this smells really bad. Hey, what did you put in this food? Nothing. What's wrong? Oh my God. And this is the end of their family. But oh my God, this game is